fashion friends and family, this is Stacy Stube here, and we are at Sobromo, the factory. We just opened today, and we had our first Fashion Entrepreneurs Essentials class. And we have a special guest here today. Let me introduce you. Hi, Pinky.
Hi, Stacy.
Are you teaching a class with us?
Yes, I'm planning to. The class I'll be teaching at Sobromo is the Fashion Merchandising Entrepreneur Training, and we'll be focusing a lot on the merchandising, retail management, supply chain management, and marketing, including omni-channel retailing, and a lot of sourcing.
Using our prints to create Western styles. And I'm not saying Western per se, but you know, a bit more toned down and all that, so that I can bridge the gap with, and all kinds of people can wear my stuff. It doesn't matter where you're from, because I always get the sense that, you know, if you're not from Africa, or you haven't lived in Africa, or don't know anything about Africa, you don't really appreciate the prints and the colors. You say, oh, that's pretty. I don't think I can pull it off like that. But
let's try this guy over here. Maybe that's a little bit better. So it's really important that you look at what's available from the company you're ordering from, and make sure that they have those colors in stock for what you want to do, either sampling or your small production. Is it reorderable? So we were talking about dead stock. Black with a white fabric. Is it
go
gonna
into
bleed
it.
into black? That's horrible. What's the status?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
it hurts.
To me. Or you know, now denim is it's going to crop, and that's just one of the characteristics of the denim. But that might be something that you want to warn your clients about. Yeah. Another thing to consider is shrinkage. So if your fabric is going to shrink a lot in the wash, you might want to build that into your pattern. I tend to think it's better to not even focus on these and to just do the technical sketches, so you can really get an idea immediately of what it's going to look like on an actual person. Because something that looks good on a 20-head alien figure might not look good on a normal person, and you want to kind of figure that out before you have somebody make a pattern and a sample, and then it just looks terrible. So. So you lay it right on that seam, and then you measure it all the way down. And this is 26 3/4. And generally measurements like this, it's going to be a tolerance of plus or minus 1/4 of an inch for most stuff.
So we are so glad to welcome our wonderful students, many of which, actually 2 of them were educators, and one of them is a fashion entrepreneur who went to Savannah School of Design. So just kind of catching up on knowledge that she was missing, or new changes are happening in the industry. So we're so happy to teach people in the manufacturing environment. See you next time.